You know, sometimes you just want something hearty and simple and full of flavor, but you don't want a sink full of dirty dishes afterwards. That's where this Mexican ground beef and rice skillet comes in. It's made with seasoned ground beef, rice, beans, and a few simple ingredients all cooked up in one pan. And you know it's a great alternative to taco night. Let's make some up. So the first thing we're going to do is grab up a pound of medium ground beef and throw it into a pan over medium-high heat. Grab up the old spoon and just kind of break things up here a little bit. And we're just going to stir and fry until we're browned and cooked through. Now I find with the medium ground beef, especially with the stuff in the tube, that you get a fair amount of grease, so you might want to drain that off. Anyway, we're all cooked up here, so just go ahead and shove that beef to one side. Then in we go with a small chopped onion and 3 cloves of the good old garlic. Go ahead and stir and fry this until it becomes fragrant and that sweet smell of onion and garlic fill the air. Then just go ahead and mix everything together. And I always say this, guys, but the kitchen is smelling so good just with that onion and garlic cooking. Anyway, next up, throw in a cup of washed and rinsed uncooked rice. I'm using long grain here, but just about any kind of rice will do. Incidentally, I moved everything to one side of the pan, so we're just going to cook this rice up just till we get a base cook on it. I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes over medium heat is fine. In with a can of drained medium diced tomatoes, another can of drained and rinsed black beans. Add in a can of peaches and cream corn or just plain old sweet corn. Then a 1/4 cup of red and green hot banana peppers. Follow that with a tablespoon of cumin, a tablespoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of pepper, and a teaspoon of salt. Go ahead and toss that over everything. Incidentally, you don't have to use hot banana peppers, any kind of hot pepper will do. Grab up the old spoon and give everything a good stir together, and now those flavors and smells are beginning to fill the air. Absolutely incredible. Okie dokie, over that, pour in 2 cups of good rich chicken stock. Bring it to a good simmer. Lower the heat, throw a lid on, and let this simmer away for about 20 minutes until that rice is cooked. After about 20 minutes, just look at this. We are all cooked up. The smell is incredible. Oh my goodness, it doesn't get any better. Just check this out. But we ain't done yet because we're going to go over the top with a couple of cups of Tex-Mex cheese. Of course, you can use whatever cheese you like. I just like the Tex-Mex. And I'm really going to top this off with a little more old sharp cheddar. Toss that lid back on and go ahead and let it melt down naturally. After 2 or 3 minutes, that cheese is melted down and man, oh man, this is looking mighty fine. And just check this out again, guys. I mean, eating doesn't get any better. I don't think so anyway. So what we want to do now is go ahead and toss this onto a plate. You don't have to be too particular with this, just so it kind of looks good and fills the plate. Something like this, and then of course you just have to garnish things up with some cilantro. You have to have that cilantro. I mean, it's just all part of the game, right? And there you have it, guys, a Mexican ground beef and rice skillet that absolutely never fails. A dish that's a great alternative to taco night, alternative to any night for that matter. Your family and friends are simply gonna love this. And you grab this up, believe me, it is just bursting with flavor. You simply have to make it up, my friends. And if you do, leave us a comment, because I love to read them, and most of all, like and subscribe. And stay tuned for Sunday, because we are making up a Big Mac Smash Skillet that you don't want to miss. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and we'll see you Sunday.